Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel.
We're back. And today my dad's going to be showing you how to make Guinness Punch with a twist.
So we've got bowl, whisk, nutriment. And then we have the main ingredients. We have Guinness, original Guinness, right? And we've got rum, okay? And then I've got some rum cream liqueur. Got some nutmeg, carnation milk instead of sugar.
Okay, so now you've heard my dad's lovely voice, and he's even told you the ingredients that you need to make this amazing punch. So all that's left for me to do is tell you how to make it. First things first, you need 2 tins of nourishment, any flavour of your choosing, but in this case, use chocolate. Now, would Guinness Punch be Guinness Punch without Guinness? Absolutely not. So he's going to add 1.5 tins of the Guinness Punch, and he did actually mention that when you add the Guinness to the punch, to add it slowly because this will actually prevent the mixture from foaming up. So next you want to add your carnation milk. Now bear in mind that carnation milk can be quite sweet, so how much you add is dependent on how sweet you want the mixture to be. In this case, my dad has added 3. And then he adds a spoon of nutmeg. Rum is the star of the show in this recipe, so my dad's adding 4 teaspoons, but of course you can adjust this to your liking. And then we have 2 spoons of rum liqueur. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but it sounded good, right? After mixing, this drink is ready, but it's not like ready, you know? Because remember I said that this is Guinness Punch with a twist? This isn't just your ordinary Guinness Punch, right? Because tell me when someone has given you Guinness Punch with whipped cream on it? Whipped cream, guys, covered in chocolate chips and drizzled in rum liquor?
Your guest will love this, okay?